Christian success in management. The key to success in management lies in our ability to learn as fast as the world is changing. In today's fast-paced environment, adaptive leadership is crucial. And one of the most profound resources we have for this is found within the wisdom of the Bible. The teachings found in the Scriptures offers timeless principles that transcend generations and cultures. They guide us in building strong relationships, making ethical decisions, and leading with integrity. By embracing these principles, we can cultivate a management style rooted in wisdom and compassion, creating an environment where our teams thrive. What makes this journey even more enriching is the role of the Holy Spirit, whom we can turn to for guidance and insight. In moments of uncertainty, prayer and reflection can illuminate paths that lead to clarity and purpose. This combination of eternal wisdom and spiritual guidance equips us to navigate challenges with resilience and grace. As we confront an ever-changing landscape, whether it's technological advancements, shifts in market dynamics, or evolving in workforce expectations, we must remain open to learning and flexible in our approaches. Each day presents a new opportunity to grow both personally and professionally. Let us embrace the challenge, remain curious, and seek wisdom from sources that have withstood the test of time. By doing so, we not only enhance our management capabilities, but also empower our teams and create lasting impact. Here's to continuous growth and leadership that inspires.